I'm here to show you a kit that we've put together. It'll make 700 masks. You'll receive 4 rolls of melt-blown polypropylene. This has been electronically charged to increase its effectiveness. You need 1,400 rubber bands will come with the kit. And you need to provide a clean pair of sharp scissors. Now, before we begin, be sure that you have sanitized your hands, good hot soap and soapy water. Sanitize your work area. Make sure that that's clean. And please wash your scissors. Let's make our first mask. Tear at the perforation. Take the crease towards you. We just want to refold it so that it's perfectly in half. Give a nice crease. Now, place the material down on the table with the opening of the fabric away from you and the creased end towards you. Begin by folding over about an inch. Pick it up, turn it over, press again. Accordion style. Pick it up, turn it over, flip it on top, press firmly. Now, take your 1-inch horizontal, fold it all the way in half, and hold it tight. Take one end, fold it towards you, and you're going to take your scissors and you're going to clip about 1/8 of an inch on one end and repeat on the other. So I'm folding it towards me about 1 inch. I want to clip on the same side about 1/8 of an inch, and when I open it you will see 2 holes. These are for your rubber bands. Thread a rubber band through, make sure you have no knots or twists. Make one loop larger, take the small loop, pull it under, and tighten that loop. Let's do it on the other side. Thread your rubber band through, and what you're going to do is make one loop bigger, loop the smaller end under, and then pull that smaller end long and make sure it's tight. All right, so you've made your first mask. The first one goes on yourself. Simply place it over your mouth and your nose. Each rubber band will go around your ear, and we're looking for a nice fit over your nose and your mouth. Be sure you have a good seal. Now you may begin making your other masks. Once you have completed them, keep them folded and put them in your box. Thank you.